Hi Tesla fans, I'm Ellie with T-Sportline, and today I have another world's first for you. The digital license plate is available and legal in the state of California, and we're an authorized installation facility. Let me share with you a little bit what the plate can do, what's in the box, we'll do an unboxing, and then I'll show you two cars in our installation bay that we actually did some installation on. So very exciting stuff today. So I'm going to start off with the unboxing, and this is what the plate looks like, the digital plate, when you take it out of the box. And as you can see, it says detached, and it's detached because it's not been installed yet. Let's talk about installation. It must be professionally done. It takes a couple of hours. It requires a constant power and ground hookup, so you can see that right there. And it also gets installed with a security bracket. This makes it nearly impossible to actually steal the plate and allows it to securely affix to the car. So much harder than obviously a regular license plate, which could be very easily stolen with just 4 screws. Once the plate gets installed, if you already have a license plate, within about an hour or so over the air, the license plate number will get downloaded into your plate, and it just happens automatically. And then you'll be able to actually have control over the plate. What I mean by that is you can download an app from the Android or Apple iPhone app store, and now you can control your plate from your phone. So this is really cool because what you'll be able to do is change the background color. You could choose from a white background with black letters or a black background with white letters. So really cool look for those of us that like that black plate. The display is an e-ink display, very similar to a Kindle. So very easy to read in all different types of lighting, and the authorities like it because it's really easy to go ahead and read from a distance, daytime or nighttime. So now let's talk about what you could actually do with the digital plate today, and then we'll talk about what you could do in the very near future. So today, you'll be able to go ahead and manage your DMV fees and registrations from the app on your phone. You will also be able to go ahead and, if the plate is stolen or the car is stolen, you'll be able to track it from your phone. If one of those things happens, go to your local authorities, report it stolen, get the report number, share that with the manufacturer, and they will send a signal over the air to the plate that actually says stolen. How cool is that? And then also today, you'll be able to change the look of your plate. You actually have a choice. You can have a black background with white numbers or a white background with black numbers. And pretty soon we'll go into our installation bay and I'll show you two cars that we did the install on and show both types of plate looks. And then you could also be social, and I'll talk about that in a minute. But right now, let's go out to the installation bay and let me show you what it looks like installed on the car. Okay, so here we are in the shop, and this happens to be my black Model 3. And as you can see, from the app on my phone, I chose to have a black background with white numbers. I think that's really cool. It's a look that everybody likes in California. Much cooler than the black plate with the gold numbers. I'm sure you'll agree. And this is my plate. This is what it looks like installed on the car. Over here, we have one of our clients' Model 3s that we just installed his plate. And he chose the white background with the black letters. And how cool is his vanity plate? Thanks, Elon. I mean, that's absolutely the coolest. So this is what it looks like with a white background and black letters, and then you saw mine with black and white. Now let's talk about being social. This is another cool feature that the digital plate can do and you control from the app on your phone. My plate underneath said dmv.ca.gov. That's the standard. But from the app on your phone, you can choose from some preloaded slogans and statements, like he chose, protect our oceans. So he's being social, he's sharing that mindset with everybody on his plate. There's many to choose from, like it's my birthday, support the Army, the Navy, many different types of preloaded slogans. And coming soon, you'll be able to go ahead and upload your own. So you could go ahead and put underneath here pretty much whatever you like. So that's coming soon. So let's recap what you could do today, and then I'm going to talk about what we could do in the very near future. Today, you can go ahead and change the background and the color of the numbers, the letters on your plate. Black, white, white, black. you can go ahead and be social and change the slogan at the bottom underneath your plate. You can go ahead and manage your DMV fees and pay your registration through the app. And you have GPS tracking. So if the car's stolen or the plate's stolen, you'll be able to track it. You'll be able to get that stolen signal letters right on the plate. So that's where we're at today, but coming very soon, here is what is so exciting. For all of us with Teslas, I know you'll agree, we don't love our HOV stickers. I mean, we love the concept to be in the HOV lane, but the stickers, really, they're just not cool. And this year, the stickers are actually red. And I mean, wow, I don't think anybody could agree that looks good on a Tesla unless you have a red Tesla. So coming very soon, you'll be able to have your HOV stickers loaded onto the plate, and they will appear on the plate at your discretion, maybe when you're in the HOV lane. Also, if there is an Amber Alert, that will show up on your plate, so you can go ahead and share Amber Alerts. If you have a handicap sign, you'll be able to display the handicap sign on your plate when necessary. So that's coming soon for the plate. And if that's not exciting enough, let's talk about being even more social. And this is something that I think is really, really cool. When you park your car and you're in park for more than 5 minutes, you will be able to display any letters on your plate, even upload a picture. And you're able to do this because these frames, these plates, are actually e-ink technology. And that's very similar to a Kindle. So you have a lot of flexibility on what you could do with that. So you could literally upload an image, your favorite sports team, and then also put something on your plate like I probably would do that says, I love my wife, Shirley. Anyway, super cool technology available today at T-Sportline, but only for California residents, but the rest of the US is coming really soon. They say that Nevada, Texas, Arizona, they are currently testing these plates on government vehicles, and I'm sure very soon they'll be available in those states as well, and we'll be able to ship them to you. But for now, only California residents. We have some local affiliates throughout California that can provide you the installation. And the cost of the plate, I know you've all been thinking, okay, how much does it cost? So the plate costs $798 plus installation. Installation prices may vary anywhere from $360 on up. We charge $360 to install the plate. It takes a couple of hours. And that first initial payment of $798 plus installation includes 1 year of service. Service meaning tracking ability and also control of the plate. Every year thereafter, it's an additional $99 a year for that, or you could pre-purchase 2 years for $150. That's actually a really great price point because some car tracking systems that we actually install cost more than $99 a year. So over here you get this really cool digital plate, you get to go ahead and be social, you get to manage it, you get to change it up, all from the app on your phone, and have tracking for essentially $99 a year. Thank you so much for watching. It was really fun to share this with you. Please, if you don't already follow our channel, please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you again soon with a lot more accessories and car customizations on Teslas.